Hello viewers, welcome to new tech stack series that means a new technology. Today we are starting new playlist that means another technology about another one that is React JS. Yes, React JS as a prerequisite as a oh, oh yes, I can say as a prerequisite, you need to have basic JavaScript. Not only basic, you need to have some fundamentals as well as the core topics to understand this React JS. And as a pre-context, I am saying that I am not going deeply into the topic. I am just giving a brief introduction about each topic. You can take it as a quick revision and you can consider it as a mind mapping for you. So let's start about React JS. React JS is nothing but it is a huge library of JavaScript. Yes, we can. Okay, I will write the definition. A library of JavaScript. You can take it as JS simply, uh, and it is used to develop web applications. Yes, and it is used to create a single page application. We will come to it, but before that, uh, this React JS was developed by Facebook only. We use Facebook daily. Uh, without We have seen about the usage of Facebook mostly, but after that, uh, even though a lot of people will say like Meta has recently overtaken it, so we can say so many people today say like Meta as well as Facebook only, because Facebook was the origin for it. uh, so we can say like Facebook develops the React JS in the year 2012 to 2013. uh, we don't have the exact date, so I will write developed by Facebook. It's better to write in the new line, I think. It's developed by Facebook in 2012 and 13. uh, Single page application is nothing but everything will be done in the same page only. That means just take an example of Facebook post where we can have likes, comments, shares, anything. It don't reload the entire page. We will get the update here there only. You can take it a simple example, the Facebook post page as a single page application or anything. And we have some topics like components. Components are nothing but they are just like functions. Uh, they can be reusable, but they are independent as well. We can simply say like independent and reusable. Oh, sorry, I heard it. Independent and reusable bit of code. It is simply nothing but a function, you can say, but it's not function. And then we have types of components. In these types of components, we have function based components. Then we have class based components. Yes, these are all about components. They can be useful further in the program. And we have concepts like states. States are nothing but they are objects which will be used for components mostly. They are built in. Okay, I will write built-in objects. Yes, built-in object for React components. Yes, built-in object for React components. We can simply select these states, and after that, uh, we have some terms like XML. We'll write the definition. Extensible markup language. This XML mainly useful uh, to use our we can say we can create our own tags. I will write the definition: to create user defined tags. Yes, it's a main usage, we can take like that. And then we have JSX. JSX is nothing but JavaScript XML. These are all main terms. And JSX, this JSX will be helpful to convert the HTML elements into React elements. It is nothing but as in the before playlist in the UI modules you have seen about HTML. This JSX, what it does means it will convert all HTML elements to React elements. That means we use the HTML only, but it will be converted into React elements with the help of this JSX, that is JavaScript XML. So I will write its main usage: to convert HTML elements to React elements. Yes, we can use like that. And after that we have props. Props are nothing but shorthand notation for properties. These properties are helpful. They can be used as arguments, and these arguments will be passed to the components. I will write arguments passed to components. These props will be useful in this entire React.js. That means in this entire concept, we can say. Then we have components life cycle. So life cycle of components we will see. Life cycle of components. First one is initialization. So in this initialization, then mounting, then we have updating, then we have unmounting. Yes, initialization is nothing but whatever the components or whatever for the application requirement, we will take all of them, then we will initialize them. Then after that, in mounting, we will write the logic, whatever the components, not components, whatever the required code we have taken, all these are elements whatever we have taken, we will write the logic in mounting. After that, here updating is nothing but the logic will be performed in this updating one. That means whatever the component, whatever the elements are there, they will get updated. That means their state will be changed. After that, unmounting is nothing but destroying the component. That means the first stage was initialized, the final stage is just like destroying, that means closing the application mostly. After that, here the mainly we can say like initialization and unmounting are just like starting and ending points of life cycle. Here mounting we will write the logic. Here updating we will render the component. That means we will run the component will be run. The component will get run, and based on that our application will work. We can say our logic will work in the updating stage. Simply, uh, here we came to the end of part 1 of this React JS. We will see more in the upcoming part.